In our flashcards course, we took a look at how we could use live lecture note recording feature to create flashcards. Let's take a look at what we can do creating notes and the materials and practice activities that we can do once we've created that. Under AI tools, we simply need to go under live lecture note taker. If I had a recorded file, I could upload it at this point, or I could choose to start recording. At this point, I've created a recording teaching about different aspects of web design. When I finished, I click the stop button, confirm that I'm finished recording, and wait for Kai to process the file. In my case, I'm going to customize the notes by putting them into paragraph form. When I'm satisfied, I will click the Create button. Just as with other materials, I can choose whether I want to assign it to a class or if I want to make it public. And after my materials have been created, I have the ability to take a practice test. I can select how many questions I'd like, as well as how difficult I'd like it to be. After I'm finished, I can click the Submit button. I can see my feedback. I also have the ability to provide feedback to Knowt based on my experience. And after I've taken a practice test, I have the ability to see any previous test sessions. It will show when it was completed. At any point, I have the ability to use the chat feature of Kai to edit my notes if needed. I can use the prompts, or I can enter in my own instructions of how I would like to modify the notes. I also have the ability to generate flashcards, and I can always link to the recorded audio as well.